When you're thinking of activities to do with a friend or coming up with any list of items, it's helpful to take notes. Writing things down helps you remember them. However, taking notes on paper isn't always efficient. Paper can get lost or damaged. You might need to rewrite your entire list if you change a few items. And you need to remember to keep your list with you. Instead, you could take electronic notes in an online application like Google Docs. Typing in Google Docs is like taking notes in a notebook. But, unlike a notebook, you can access Google Docs from any computer or mobile device with an internet connection. And you can share documents with others over the internet. In this activity, you will create a document in Google Docs. Think of different activities you might like to do with a friend. Type your ideas into your document. And enter comments in your document. Your documents are stored on the internet in a safe location. Every time you log into your Google account, your document will be there, ready for you to read or add to. Everything you type in Google Docs is automatically saved as soon as you type it, as long as you are connected to the internet. So you won't lose information or have different versions of a document saved in different places. Creating and using online documents can help you record and share all kinds of information. You might use an online document to make a household shopping or projects list. Or you might type in a document to make notes for a school assignment or share updates from a meeting. To start, open a new tab in your browser. Keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between the two. Then type www.google.com in the navigation bar at the top of your browser window. If you have not logged into your Google account, do so now by entering your Gmail address and password. Once you are logged into your Google account, you have access to all the Google apps. From the Google Apps menu on the Google homepage, select Google Docs. This takes you to the Google Docs homepage. Move on to the next video to create and name a new document. Now it's your turn. Open a new tab in your browser. Log into your Google account. Go to the Google Docs homepage from the Apps menu. Move on to the next video.